queries in MS Access. A query is the most important feature provided by MS Access 2010, which can give you information that you might not be able to find by looking at the table directly. Using a query, you can search or compile data from one or more tables in a database by giving specific search conditions so that you are able to view the exact data that you want. You can then review, add, change or delete data from your database. Access allows you to create or build a query and save it in the database so that you can run it multiple times. The Query Design command to create a query is in the Queries group on the Create tab. Types of queries. The different types of queries in MS Access are: Select query. It retrieves data from one or more tables. It displays the record in a data sheet to group data and to calculate sum, count, average, etc. Parameter query. It is a type of select query which prompts you for the input before it runs. The query then uses the input as the criteria that controls the result. Action query. It creates a new table or alters your data by adding, deleting, updating, and appending data from it. Cross-tab query. It is a query that uses a row headings and column headings so that you can see your data in terms of two categories at once. Structured Query Language (SQL). It is a computer language for relational database and data manipulation, which is used to insert, update, and modify data. Setting up relationship. Relationships are links that associate a field in one table with the same field in another table. A relationship works by matching a field with the same name in both the tables. The matching fields are the primary key from one table that uniquely identifies each record in a table. A foreign key is a column in one table that must match the primary key of another table. To create a relationship, create two tables. Table named Table 2 that holds general information about the students such as their roll number, name, father's name, address, etc. Table named Table 3 that holds information about roll number, marks, percentage, grade, etc. To define relationship between the two tables, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Relationships command from Relationships group under Database Tools tab. Step 2. The Show Table dialog box will open. Click on the Add button. The selected table will appear in the Relationship window. Step 3. Click and hold on the primary key field of one table. Step 4. Drag the mouse pointer to the common field in the other table and release the mouse button. Step 5. This will open Edit Relationships dialog box. Click on the Create button. This will create a line or relationship between the related fields of the two tables. Relationship established between Table 2 table and Table 3 table based on the primary key named roll number. Creating a query. To create a query, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Query Design command from Queries group under Create tab. Step 2. The Show Table dialog box will open in the Relationship pane. Step 3. Add the field's name to the query window and specify the criteria. The parameters of the design grid in the bottom part of the query window are: Field. It is the first row of the design grid that displays the selected field names from the table. Table. It displays the name of the existing tables in the relationship window. Show. This means that the field with the check mark will be displayed in the result and the fields with an unchecked mark will not be displayed when the query runs. Sort. It displays the data in either descending or ascending order during the run time. Criteria. This displays the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered and displayed in the query output. Or, it is used to set multiple conditions in a query. After creating the query, we need to run the query by clicking on the Run button. The related records of the query will be displayed in the datasheet view.